this video I'm going to show you how to turn your text to voiceover that you can use for your video. So if you are the type that you don't like to shoot video or you don't like to do voiceover, I'm going to give you access to a powerful tool that you can use to turn your text to voiceover. So before we dive into the session, if you have seen my video for the first time, make sure that you follow me on this page, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the information. Also help me to share this video so that others will get to see this information. So let's dive in. So go to your Google Play Store, then you type text to speech. So it's going to bring in different text to speech software. So the one we are going to use that is free, that you can use free and you will not get copyright, is this one. So you download this one to your phone. So I've already downloaded it on my phone. So you type your video script here, so you just paste your video script here, so you can play it. You click on this place to change it to any language of your choice. So we have Albanian, we have Arab, and all the rest. We also have Nigeria. The default is on the United States English language. So let's say we want to change it to Nigeria. You click on Nigeria, then you can see the different voices that they have. So you can select any voice of your choice. So let's say we want to use this one. So if I play it now, you will hear the voice as we come out.
The almighty CapCut app is now a pro app, which means most of the features that used to be free you now have to pay for subscription before you can be able to use them. And
if you don't like the voice that is there, you can always change it to your favorite one. So let's change it to United Kingdom. Then you select your different voices, so you can listen to each of the voice.
This is a test voice. This is a test voice. This is a test voice.
This is a test voice.
So let's say we want to use this voice, then you click on done.
The almighty CapCut app is now a pro app, which means most of the features that used to be free you now have to pay for subscription before you can be able to use.
Once you are done, then you click on export. So you enter the name that you want to save it with, then you click on show save file. So you can see the file here that we just saved now. So if you want to download it to your phone, you click on it, you click on share, then you click on copy to, and save it to any place you want to save it to. So if I go to my file, so you can see the file now. So from here I can take it from here, then I'll use it on my CapCut to do my video editing. So this is how to create a voiceover or turn your text to voiceover on your video. So if you find this video effective, make sure you like and share this video.